What is up, good people? Jungle Link here. Hope you're doing well. I'm sitting here thinking, what's next? As we approach this next big bull run, you want to fill out your positions in the best way possible. We see SUI just ripping and gunning, going up the rankings. It's past Litecoin and Polkadot and a whole heck of a lot of stuff. And I think it's got a lot farther to go. But if I was going to buy more SUI, I should have already done that. So what's next? What is the next focus to start building out? Celestia to me makes a lot of sense. We're going to have another big Cosmos Atom play this cycle again. That's probably the most likely, but you have a big unlock happening at the end of this month. 17% of the total supply is going to come spitting out onto the market. So I'm going to sit on that, see how that progresses before I add more of that coin. Do I look at AI plays? Do I add to some of those positions? Like, what do I do next? And like manna from the heavens, here comes my buddy Billy, the XRP Cowboy, popping up in the Making Money group. And I said, you know what? That makes a lot of sense. I think that's where I'm going to go. Let's see what Billy has to say.
Hey guys, this is the XRP Cowboy. Hey, this is Billy. I've been minus wells. I've been looking at the SUI transactions per second are fucking phenomenal. The creator's phenomenal. The right people supporting it. It reminds me of a better soul. It really does. And I know they're comparing it to the Soul Killer, but it really does. The market cap's like $6 billion. So yeah, we could get a 10x. In a bull run when everything's fucking at all-time highs. Maybe more. But, so I bought a little more today. So, it was a positive thing. But I'm not waiting for that. I look at SUI as something. I'll leave 20% behind when I sell whatever I have at that point. But, I'll take a 4 or 5x. Just because I want to be safe. And, if it goes on and that 20% I left behind makes me 5x more in the future than what I sold, that's a high quality problem, right? I'm not going to feel like I should have held on. But that leads me to what I think is a better investment from a short term. I'm looking 6 months out, though, with these, investments. And that's why I'm thinking I could sell for 3 or 4x SUI. Maybe more, but I'm not looking at a fucking year or 5 years. Flare, first bull run, market cap in the millions. I don't care how good SUI is. I think I want to put more money into Flare. I just think we have never seen any overhead resistance besides when, they were doing those IOUs and shit. But with those, it rocketed well over $1.30, maybe $2. Look at where it is right now. I think we could get back to those IOE prices.
All right, we have Billy there. I don't know we're going to get back to the IOU prices. The guy's pretty smart, but what I do know is Flare is pretty reasonable when you figure fully functional smart contract blockchain, when you figure it's got AI, where they're going to be moving into that, DeFi, gaming, this blockchain of data. There's a lot there. And I've said before, I think once we hit the bull run, a lot of people are going to like Flare. Its ability to earn. They're going to be, when F assets go live, loading up various assets they want to hold long term and trying to get yield off of it. This is going to be a popular blockchain, and I think it's going to be in high demand, and you are going to see that price go ripping and roaring up the charts, very similar to what we've seen with SUI, but maybe even more so because it is under $1 billion in market cap right now. I don't know what exactly it is, Coin 100, and you know what? I wasn't even thinking about buying more Flare, but I think that's the ticket. At least here for a little bit, I'm going to start adding more Flare. Let me know what you think about that. As always, the revolution will be televised right here on Jungle Link.